Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nick's Diecast. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale Porsche 911 Turbo Convertible made by Motormax. So the interesting thing is that I didn't actually intentionally get this model. I actually ordered a Motormax Maserati Gran Turismo from Amazon Warehouse Deals, and they actually sent me this instead. You can see there's the loose spoiler in the box there. So a little bit annoying, but I messaged Amazon about the mix-up. They said it was okay if I kept this Porsche model, or I had the option to return it. And because I like Porsches, I decided to keep it. So this is what we see here. So I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the box next. It's this model was actually made in 2013, as you can see on that side flap there. Kind of interesting that it was on Amazon still. I love the color scheme of this, that kind of metallic blue, like a medium metallic blue with this black interior, as you can see here. There's that loose spoiler, which I was surprised to see was actually made of a metal. So somehow it got loose from the car and it was rattling around inside the box. And underneath it, it's just bare metal. Like I was going to just leave it off, but I had to put it back on because the underside of it was just, bare metal. Or I'm sorry, on the trunk lid where the spoiler should have been mounted, it was just bare metal. There wasn't any paint. You can see that there's 4 screws on there, so I removed those next. Motormax screws are always a fun thing to take off because they're kind of tight on there, so you have to really try to not like strip them when you take them off. And there's our model off the base, the Porsche 911 Turbo Convertible. I just got to get that shipping strap off next. It was easy to do so because this is a convertible model, so all I did was cut it and then I just removed it like so. I could already tell that the quality of this model was not the best, and I'll be discussing that more in my review than I'll be doing next. So I was able to actually put the spoiler back on, as you can see in this shot here, and open up the doors, which were actually kind of stiff and a little bit weird to open. And yes, that rear engine compartment does open, but it's quite loose and it doesn't stay up, and it kind of rattles a bit too. This kind of gives an omen of poor quality, and it does. So there's our model there. Looking forward to doing a review of it.